I sat here and this evening, this beautiful, beautiful climate here, and suddenly something came up to me like life is never meant to be serious. Uh, in my observation, that's what I have seen. Uh, Life is never meant to be serious. What I mean, never meant to be serious, is I'm not saying we shouldn't be sincere, we shouldn't 100% effort. We do not want to. We do not need to concentrate. I'm not saying it. Why uh, the sincerity, the so-called sincerity, is a kind of is a sickness, as Osho used to say, and I kind of getting it. I have seen that in my life also, where when you're sincere, the things is different. Suppose when you're playing a game which you like, obviously you will be 100% present in it. Obviously you want to give your 100% in it. Uh, Obviously you want to enjoy the taste, the full fun of the game. Yeah. But what happens when you're serious about a game or about life or anything for that matter? Why we become serious is because of either we want to prove a point, or either we are so mindful of the outcome of whatever the activity that we are doing or the way that we are living. We attach to that outcome, and that's where we tend to be little serious about whatever we do. We may hear from our elders. We are saying that be serious in life, be serious in life. I Being serious is not like you're enjoying your life. Being serious is not about you give your 100%. Being serious is not about your experience in the life to the fullest, but rather, if you look at it, we don't enjoy it only. And suppose when you're enjoying anything, you don't have to be very serious about it, because you will always be present whenever you are doing any new thing for that matter. Whenever you're doing something out of your love, out of which came out of your heart to do it, when you have that passion, that whatever that concentration or whatever that sincerity, whatever that focus will always be there. You don't have to put in consciously about it. We only be serious about certain things where either we are, we are compelled to do some things, or either we want to achieve something in order to prove, or in order to be certain person or certain achievement, certain accolade. When we are looking at it that way, that's where we tend to be serious, and that's where people get into that stress. Whenever something, whatever they've been serious about it, whenever they achieve it, probably uh, they will be little happy, but always will be anxious about what happens next. And when you don't achieve what you have been serious about, that's where you get into that negativity, or that's where you get into stress. That's where you either demean yourself. So I'm just sitting here and I'm seeing the fish in this fish pond are playing. These trees are here. This beautiful climate is here. Birds are flying. The wind is blowing. Life just is happening. You don't have to really be serious in life. Just wanted to share that spontaneously.